Welcome to the Better Health News channel, where we separate fact from myth by revealing what science says about various health topics.
High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a serious condition that affects millions of Americans. In the US, heart disease is the #1 cause of death, almost 4 times more than the #2 cause of death, cancer. And it is getting worse due to our increased obesity. Often called the silent killer, high blood pressure often has no symptoms, but it can lead to serious health problems like heart attack, stroke, and kidney disease. The good news is that there are lifestyle changes that you can do to manage your blood pressure naturally. In this video, we'll explore some natural approaches that are supported by medical research that can quickly lower high blood pressure. The first health tip supported by medical research to lowering your blood pressure is using the power of your breath by practicing slow, deep breathing. You might be surprised to learn that something as simple as changing the way you breathe can have a profound impact on your blood pressure. Research supports the benefits of slow breathing for reducing blood pressure. A study published in the American Journal of Cardiology in 2017 did a meta-analysis of over 2,500 studies and found that participants who practiced controlled breathing saw a significant reduction in heart rate and blood pressure. Another study published in 2014 in the International Journal of Psychophysiology found that the slow breathing rate of 6 breaths per minute increases heart rate variability, or HRV, and also increased the feelings of relaxation. So how does this happen? You see, HRV is the measure of the variation of time between each heartbeat. So a higher HRV score means your heart can easily adapt to various situations, especially during stressful times. You see, when we're stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. Our sympathetic nervous system kicks in, releasing hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. I compare and think of this system like the gas pedal in your car. Push it to go faster. The job of the sympathetic system is to cause our heart rate and blood pressure to increase to provide extra energy to our muscles so we can run and get out of harm's way. That's great if you're facing a real threat like a bear or maybe a dragon, but not so great when you're stuck in traffic or facing a deadline at work. If this stress becomes chronic, it will have negative long-term effects. In some ways, stress is the true silent killer, but there's another system in our body, the parasympathetic nervous system, that does the exact opposite. I compare it to the brakes in our car because it slows the body down so we can rest and digest our food. When we activate this system, our heart rate slows down, blood vessels relax, and blood pressure drops. So how do we activate this system to slow down? Research has revealed that it's simply by doing special breathing, such as slow, deep, mindful breathing. There are many breathing techniques, so the key is to find one that works for you. An easy breathing technique for beginners is called box breathing or equal breathing. It's simple, but incredibly powerful. Here's how it works. First, sit comfortably with your back straight and your eyes closed. Second, inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, counting to 4. Next, hold your breath for a count of 4. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth with pursed lips like gently blowing out a candle, counting to 4. Again, hold your breath for a count of 4. Repeat this cycle for at least 5 minutes or longer if you have time. At first, you may only be able to do it for a minute or 2, which is okay. With practice, you will be able to do it for longer periods of time. You can do this any time of day, but it's especially helpful to practice in the morning to set a calm tone for your day, or in the evening to unwind before bed. When you practice this type of breathing, you're sending a signal to your body that it's time to relax. You're activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which floods the body with relaxing hormone levels to tell the body to slow down and relax. And with regular practice, you'll start to see a real difference in your blood pressure. But it's not just about lowering blood pressure. Deep breathing has so many other benefits. It can reduce stress and anxiety, improve your sleep, boost your energy levels, and even enhance your focus and concentration. So make time for deep breathing every day. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do for your health. As a side note, if you have shallow restricted breathing, an interesting way to enhance your deep breathing is doing inspiratory muscle strength training, or IMST, which uses a handheld device, a breathing exercise trainer, that creates resistance, making it harder to inhale. Research shows that doing this for only 30 breaths a day significantly lowered blood pressure, even more than regular deep breathing. It has also helped people with asthma and COPD. Here is an example of an inexpensive one on Amazon. So in summary, number 1, inhale through your nose, Number 2, exhale through your lips. Number 3. Research shows that breathing at a rate of 6 seconds per breath can lower your blood pressure, increase your heart rate variability, which helps your body handle stress better. Here's a bonus tip on how to reduce the effects of stress and anxiety. Research shows that using guided imagery, especially scenes in nature, is helpful. While sitting as you did for the deep breathing, a powerful example is to visualize in your mind that you are in a safe place standing under a small waterfall of clear, pristine water. The water flows over the top of your head down to your feet. As the water flows over your body, tell yourself that the flowing water is washing away all your stress, all the negative energy around you, your fears, your anger, your anxiety, etc. See and feel your body being cleansed, lightened, and re-energized. This only takes a minute or two, a wonderful way to start and end your day.